Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the GSA OASIS Plus Rolling Awards, especially the 5 small business tracks. This is huge news in the government contracting world.
Absolutely. The OASIS Plus contract vehicle is getting a lot of attention, especially with these new rolling awardees. For small businesses, this could be a game changer.
Let's start by clarifying what OASIS Plus is. It's an IDIQ contract from GSA, right? It covers a wide range of professional services.
Exactly. Think of it as a one-stop shop for federal agencies needing management, scientific, engineering, and logistics services.
The plus in OASIS Plus means it's expanding its scope, right? More services, more flexibility for agencies.
Yes, and the rolling awards part is really interesting. Instead of a single award cycle, they're reviewing and awarding contracts in waves.
That's smart. It gives small businesses more chances to get in, instead of waiting years for the next cycle.
Right? Traditionally, missing a window could mean a long wait. Now, with rolling awards, you can apply as soon as you're ready.
The article mentioned 5 distinct small business tracks. Why is that important?
It's all about level playing fields. Each track is tailored for different types and sizes of small businesses like 8A, HUBZone, SDVOSB, and so on.
So, a woman-owned small business won't have to compete directly with a large small business in the same pool.
Exactly. It's a bit like running in the right lane at a marathon. You're not competing against sprinters if you're a distance runner.
Clever analogy. Do you think this will help boost diversity among federal contractors?
I believe so. By breaking it up this way, GSA is encouraging more specialized and diverse small companies to participate.
What about the application process? Is it simplified compared to previous cycles?
From what I've seen, GSA is trying to streamline things with more digital submissions and clearer criteria. But it's still not a walk in the park.
Yeah, government paperwork is never exactly fun. But at least the process seems less intimidating now.
There's also more transparency this time. GSA published a list of apparent awardees early on, so companies know where they stand.
That's a relief for bidders. It reduces the nail-biting waiting period. But apparent awardee doesn't mean final awardee, does it?
No, it means you've passed the initial hurdles, but there's still due diligence and potential protest before it's official.
Protest can really slow things down. Have you seen any yet in this cycle?
Not many, but I'd expect a few. With so much at stake, some disappointed bidders will definitely file protests.
That's par for the course in government contracting. Let's talk about the opportunities these awards offer small businesses.
Sure. OASIS Plus contracts can run for up to 10 years. That's stability and access to multi-million-dollar projects.
And once you're in, you're in. Agencies can pick from the pool without having to go through a lengthy procurement process.
Exactly. It's like having a golden ticket. But you still have to compete for task orders within the pool.
Right. So it's not a guaranteed revenue stream, but it opens a lot of doors.
For some small businesses, just getting on OASIS Plus can double or triple their annual revenue.
That's impressive. But what about the risks? Could rapid growth be a double-edged sword?
Absolutely. Some companies win big contracts and then struggle to deliver. It's easy to bite off more than you can chew.
So preparation is key. I imagine compliance and reporting requirements are pretty strict.
Very. GSA will expect regular performance reports, past performance documentation, and financial audits.
It sounds overwhelming, but for those who can handle it, the rewards are significant.
Definitely. Plus, being an OASIS Plus contract holder boosts your reputation. It's a great marketing point.
Almost like having a Michelin star for government contractors.
Exactly. And it can help you win even more business outside of OASIS Plus.
Let's touch on teaming arrangements. Do you think more small businesses will form joint ventures to get on OASIS Plus?
I think so. Teaming lets companies combine strengths, share risks, and fill gaps in capabilities.
But joint ventures come with their own legal and operational headaches.
True. You need clear agreements, good communication, and trust. Otherwise, things can get messy.
What's your advice for a small business thinking about applying next round?
Start prepping early, gather your documentation, build your past performance, and consider teaming if you have gaps.
And don't be afraid to ask for help. There are consultants and legal experts who specialize in these applications.
Absolutely. Sometimes it's worth the investment to get guidance and avoid rookie mistakes.
Before we wrap up, do you see this model? Rolling awards and multiple tracks, catching on elsewhere in government procurement?
I think so. It offers more flexibility and inclusivity. Other agencies might adopt something similar.
That could really transform the landscape for small business contractors.
It's a step toward a more dynamic and responsive federal marketplace.
Any final thoughts for our listeners considering OASIS Plus?
Stay persistent, stay informed, and don't underestimate the power of networking in this space.
Great advice. Thanks for tuning in. If you're a small business looking at OASIS Plus, now's the time to get ready.
And remember, sometimes the government's plus really can mean more. More opportunities, more growth, and maybe even more paperwork.
That's the spirit. See you next time, everyone.
Thanks for watching. I'm Nancy, your AI avatar. If you like this podcast, you can get one for yourself based on a website, YouTube video, or any source. Contact me to get a customized quote for your content. See you soon.